All you have to do is set this up in 10 minutes and it pretty much makes you money automatically from there. You don't have to do any work since these two sites I will be going over today will do all of the hard work for you. Stay tuned if you're interested. But before we start, welcome to Finance Hub, where we will teach you tips and tricks to make money online. Subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you will be notified anytime we post a new video on how to make money online. And if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Alright guys, so the main platform we will be using today among a few others as well is called Fire.com. And what this website is and how it works, you can see right over here on their homepage. Sell your music and ebooks worldwide. So this allows you to sell music and ebooks to make money online, and it does work worldwide, which is a very good feature of course. With that said, let's make something clear right away. You won't have to write ebooks, create music, or whatever in order to actually make money with this. I will show you a platform that will allow you to make money with this site without doing any of the work yourself. So make sure you keep watching. Anyhow, something I really like about this platform you can see right here. You keep 80% of the profits. This is actually huge when you think about it because, for example, if you upload an ebook onto here, it's this site that will actually promote that ebook and get the sales for you. You won't have to bother with any of that. You would just need to upload the ebook on this platform and that's basically it. And despite all of that, they only retain 20% of the profits, meaning that if you have an ebook selling for $20 for example, and 5 people purchased it, you would earn $80 and this website would only earn $20. So long story short, the fact that you retain most of the profits is a really cool feature of this site, which means you can make quite a bit of money with your ebooks and or songs. As far as getting paid is concerned, you can see that they pay you daily. In other words, you won't be waiting for weeks on end to get paid, which is another great feature this platform has to offer. And last but not the least, they have an awesome support team that will help you with whatever you're having trouble with. Now the last thing worth noting about this site, you can see just below, which are their partners. They are partnered up with the likes of Apple Music, Spotify, Amazon, YouTube, Google Play. I mean, these are some huge companies and this is worth noting mainly because it proves that this website is legit. I wanted to show this to you so that you can see that you can actually make money with this site. They won't try to scam you or whatever, they will actually pay you. And with that said guys, let's now get to what you actually want to do when you come on here, which is to create your account by entering your details here. Your full name and your email address, and once you fill that in, just click on Get Started below. And it's on the very next page where you will finish your registration by entering in all of this data. You will have to enter in your username and password. You will then choose a security question and write the answer for that question so that you can protect your account. This company entitled fields are not mandatory as well to fill in, so don't worry, you don't need to be an owner of a company or whatever to be able to create your account with this website. Anyhow, just below that you will choose your gender, your email address, you've already entered prior by the way, and so it will be visible in this box. And just below that, you will have to write in where you heard about this site, and you can just type in YouTube in that box since you have been watching this video. And finally, to finish this process, you will select what you will be selling on this site, and you will select music, ebooks, book distribution, and audiobooks before clicking on the Submit Free Registration button just below, so you can finally create your account. The last step that you need to do is head over to your Gmail account and open up a message from Fire that looks something like this, and just click on this link so that you can activate your account. Once you create your account on Fire, it's now time for me to show you a website that will allow you to make more money on Fire without doing anything. and that website is called idplr.com, with PLR standing for Private Label Rights. And what this means is that all the products that you can find on here, you can use freely. You can claim that you are the owner, you can make money off them, change them, and so on. What products we are talking about in particular, you can see by hovering your mouse over free products here. And you can see here that we also have ebooks, software, videos, audio, graphics, and various free templates. In other words, in this site, you can not only find ebooks and music, but you have the full license to do whatever you want with them. So you can actually use ebooks and music that isn't even your own to make money. How crazy is that? Before you can download the ebooks and music though, you will want to create an account by clicking on register for free right here. On the next page, you will have the choice to either go for the free or premium membership, and here's something I would recommend you guys do. Go for the free membership for now, and then sell a few of those ebooks and some music on Fire, and when you make a bit of money, you can reinvest it into this platform, because by doing so, you will gain access to all their PLR products, meaning that you will have more products to choose from, and thus you will be able to make a lot more money. So going for the premium membership is actually worthwhile, and the best part is that you won't have to give away any money up front whatsoever. Anyway, what you guys need to do for now is click on free membership and then on click here to register for free. You will then go ahead and enter in as much of the same data as you did with the previous site, but I won't go over it so as not to prolong this video. Once you've logged in into your account, here is what you need to do to grab free ebooks and music. Hover your mouse over free products once again and click on either free ebook or audio. I went along with ebooks in this particular case. Once you click on that, you will be taken over to this page where you will be able to see all of these ebooks, and you will simply want to click on any one of them. Once you do that, on the next page, you will be able to see the download button just over here, and click on it will download the ebook in question to your computer. Now, just before we go back to Fire, I want to really quickly tell you guys about the awesome feature regarding the music on this platform, and that is that the songs are in packages, which is actually fantastic. This means that you will get like 10 to 20 songs per download, and all of them individually can make you a lot of money. You also won't have to bother with downloading the songs individually, which is awesome to say the least. In any case, to upload the music or ebooks onto this site, all you have to do is click on My Account in the upper right corner here. Then on the next page, just select New Release and then choose either the ebook or music, depending on what you want to upload. And from there, you'll fill in some basic info about your products such as the title, price, and so on. But I won't go over this because all of that info will vary from product to product. And that is it for today's video. Before we go, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Click on the notification bell to be notified on new uploads. That is it for me, and I will see you in the next video.